Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type Creative Cloud, Adobe, into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Adobe Creative Cloud page to fully load. Look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click the Sign In button to open the login screen. Choose the account type you want to use, such as Adobe ID, Google, Apple, or Facebook, if available. If you are using an Adobe ID, click the option that says Continue with Adobe ID. Enter the email address linked to your Adobe account in the email field. Click Continue to move to the password step. Type your Adobe account password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Click Sign In to submit your login details. If you see a verification prompt, complete the security check as requested. If two-step verification is enabled, open your Authenticator app or check your email or phone for the code. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Click Verify or Continue to finish the verification process. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address and follow the reset link sent by Adobe. Create a new strong password and return to the sign-in page. After signing in, confirm you see your profile icon or name in the top corner. To access the desktop app, open the Creative Cloud application on your computer. If you do not have it installed, download it from Adobe and run the installer. Launch the Creative Cloud desktop app after installation is complete. Click Sign In inside the app if it does not sign you in automatically. Enter the same email and password you used on the website. Approve any two-step verification request if it appears. Once signed in, go to the Apps tab to view and install Adobe apps like Photoshop or Premiere Pro. Check the Update section to keep your installed Adobe apps up to date. If you are on a shared computer, sign out when finished from your profile menu for safety. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.